everyone, I Dolly Bhargava has made this project along with my friends Sonakshi Singh and Shubhangi Gupta on the topic blind spectacles. The blind spectacles works on the principle of infrared obstacle detection.
Materials used in this project are battery, connector, buzzer, switch, wires, IR sensor and a spectacle.
Blind spectacles can be used by blind people to detect their nearby obstacle and move freely, both indoor and outdoor.
Thank you.
Start.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritik Mato of class 8 of Mary Immaculate School. Here is our physics project, Facility Project and LDR. Along with this, I have my friends
Dash Pandey
Arhan Singh Chhetri
and Sheikh Wafi.
The parts will be explained by my friend Dash.
This is our LDR project where we use RGB Uno board, breadboard, some jumper wires, servo and solar panel and some photo transistor and resistor. This is our road which has piezoelectric plates. See, these are the piezoelectric plates. These are our street lamp which has some LED and few wires. And this is our battery where all the energy will be stored.
Now, the principle will be told by my friend Wafi.
First, let's start with the piezoelectric principle. Piezoelectric materials are the materials which produce electricity when compressed or bent. Here, if the car runs over the piezoelectric plates, the plates will be compressed and they will generate electricity. And then the lights will glow. Next, let's come to the LDR project. The LDR project has phototransistors which detects light and the direction of light. In the Arduino, it is coded such that wherever the sun goes, the solar panel will turn to that direction with the help of the servo motor.
Now, the advantage of the piezoelectric will be told by my friend Arhan.
The advantages of piezoelectricity is we can produce energy even while traveling through road.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Start.
Hello everyone, my name is Vendila Sankra of class 8. Today I am going to explain my project based on the dispersion of light through a glass prism. Dispersion is the splitting of white light into 7 constituent colors. These colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Dispersion takes place because the different speeds of the different colors inside a glass prism. Thank you.